Jordan Brand revives the Trunner LX, a cult classic from the early 2000s that originally stood out as a hybrid trainer blending performance and style. Nearly 3 decades later, the silhouette re-emerges with a new identity, no longer positioned as performance footwear but as a lifestyle essential. The women's exclusive Ghost Edition, set for fall or winter 2025, channels sleek Y2K nostalgia with modern appeal, featuring a refined monochrome palette of Ghost, Pure Platinum, Reflective Silver, and Ashen Slate. Priced at $135, the sneaker will launch through Nike and select boutiques. Once created as a functional trainer, the Trunner LX now finds new purpose in fashion-forward daily wear. Its return highlights Jordan Brand's strategy of honoring heritage while adapting designs to modern sneaker culture, underscoring the label's continued influence far beyond basketball. This balance of nostalgia and reinvention makes the release a symbolic cultural statement.